Alright, waking up with breakfast. Having some breakfast by the mountain. That's the mountain we're gonna climb. That. I don't know which one, but one of these. Good morning, people. Today is the day we go all the way up by foot, hopefully, to Mount Song. We're gonna summit the mountain. Yeah. We're pretty satisfied with the hotel. It's much better than I had imagined. Much better than I had imagined. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going on our adventure. Nice. Okay, we just got our tickets. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. We have just surpassed the first 100 meters. That's where we're going. We're so not even close. There it is, guys. So 4,445 steps coming up. See right there? Okay, let's go. That wasn't the road we were gonna take. That was only for Emperors. We're no Emperor, so sucks to be us. The painful thing is that we actually have to walk back down. Okay, supposedly you have 2 hours to go. Almost there, almost there.
It's not finished yet.
Getting some altitude, huh? I think we're almost there. I can hear people screaming from the top. They're just like, ah! So I assume if you can hear them, that means we're almost there. Whew, all right.
We're so tired.
I'm not that tired. This is tolerable. This is not that bad. I think we reached a pretty nice scenic spot. Let's get some B-roll going. Getting pretty close to the summit because the steps are becoming uneven. See? Now it's more uncarved rocks. See? Oh wait, it was just that little part. It's cool. Eh? Almost at the top, almost there. Just as we thought we were near the top. Oh man. Oh man. Jesus. Whew. Okay, we're not there yet. Almost there. Are you okay?
I'm not sure.
What I really want to do is get to the top and then take a drone shot. The key thing is if the weather is gonna hold. If it gets really misty, there's really no point. And so far it's looking pretty misty, but we're definitely gonna climb this mountain. So I guess we'll have to get up there and see. We've reached a certain altitude where there's nice scenery, but it's not looking good. It's very misty and cloudy. I don't know, hopefully it clears out in the next hour or so. That's it. I think that's it. But I've been wrong before. We're almost there.
I can't do this.
Look, it's right there. I was wrong. That was not the top. Still a little more way to go. But I think it's mostly flat from here now. And the weather is not good. It's cloudy and everything. Good altitude going on, but look. That drone shot, man. A drone shot, otherwise we came all the way out here for nothing. Well, we did climb a mountain, but I want that drone shot. Low and steady wins the race. Okay, we're super close to the top, and the sun's coming out a little bit, but there's a patch of blue in the sky. Pretty sure we're almost at the top. Granted, I've been kind of saying that for like 15 minutes. Misty as ever. Don't know about that drone shot. That's somebody's random pet chicken. It's starting to rain. I think it's game over. Might be game over. Down this road, up that ridge, and right there. Almost. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the staircase to the top. Let's go. Guys, we're at the top. It's quite nice. That was a really long journey. People kept on telling us 10 minutes, but it was not 10 minutes. And the sun came out a little bit. I'm gonna fly the drone. Let's go. It's done. Going down the hill. Now. Need food. Now. Shower, change clothes, everything. Now.